Hi and welcome to ELECTROOPO. In today's video I'd like to show you the process of synthesizing chloroform. Let's check it out. Warning: this project involves hard chemicals. Never try it by yourself without the safety equipment required. I am not responsible of the uses of the information shown in this video. To synthesize chloroform, you will need a solution of sodium hypochlorite, which can be found as bleach, and a bit of acetone. You really want the pure one, because the nail polish remover also contains other compounds that might react differently. So now you have to pour the bleach into a glass beaker. I'll use glass instead of plastic as much as possible, because both the chloroform and the acetone will dissolve plastic. I'm pouring 0.5 liters of bleach, containing less than 5% of sodium hypochlorite by mass. Notice that from here on it's a good idea to wear gloves and have some sort of a respirator or a fan. Also, the bleach has been cooled down to about -2 degrees C. Now we will add the acetone. Using a pipette you have to add it to the bleach and give it a stir. The reaction will start to warm up. That's because it is slightly exothermic. The reaction is changing to an opaque white aspect. If you see that yours is increasing its temperature rapidly, feel free to give it a cold bath, otherwise the chloroform will start to evaporate. We will leave it aside for 24 hours, but in the meanwhile you'll see what is happening here. In this reaction we have bleach NaClO and acetone C3H6O to form chloroform, CHCl and other subproducts. We want the acetone to be the limiting product. That way the chloroform will be with the remaining bleach and not with the acetone. The relation should be of 35 parts of 5% sodium hypochlorite per 1 part of pure acetone. 24 hours have passed since we led our reaction, and as you can see the chloroform has precipitated down and we can distinguish two different products. At the upper layer we have the sodium hydroxide or lye and the sodium acetate on an aqueous solution, and to the bottom our main product, the chloroform. Now we are going to separate the aqueous layer from the chloroform. Just pour as much as the top layer as you can. If you have successfully separated most of the top layer, wait a second and get a glass bottle with an appropriate airtight seal. You might want to use a wine bottle cork machined until it looks something like this. The remaining top layer will be separated using a pipette, until you can remove any more water. Then we are going to suck the chloroform from the very bottom and start to pour it into the bottle, being very careful not to add the waste product to the chloroform. Finally, make a good seal with the cork, and you have homemade chloroform. The chloroform should be stored in a kind of well-ventilated area, and you may want to consider wrapping the bottle with paper to prevent the light from getting on. If you want to store it for a long time, add a bit of pure ethanol. Thanks for watching, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.